Yo, what's good? What's good? Okay, welcome back to day number 9, nigga. Sorry. Okay, day number 9. Come on. Today we're gonna be starting off with the confluences. We're gonna starting off strong with fair value gaps. Fair value gaps, what they are. Show you examples drawing, and then on the chart. Let's go. Or fair value gaps. Fair value gaps are imbalances in the market. Fair value gaps are imbalances in the market that are created when when there is a large imbalance in buy and sell. Or yeah, that makes sense, does it? Imbalance. Wait, am I retarded? Fair values are imbalances in the markets, that are created when there's a large number of buy or sell orders. Okay. Yeah, that makes it. My bad. A little. There we go. Cool. So we have an imbalance in the market, creating blah 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 blah. My bad. I'm a little fat right now. It's fucking up the ice cream. Alright. Start this shit off for you real quick. Okay. We've seen this before multiple times, right? Multiple times before. What is this? Uptrend. And in this uptrend, you might not know right now, but after today, you're gonna know where fair value gaps lie in between this, right? Fair value gaps would be from this point to this point. Fair value gap is a 3 candlestick pattern, right? So 1 candlestick, 2 candlestick, 3 candlestick. Oh, that's a fucked up candlestick for sure. I don't really like. Wait. We can make. Fuck, I'm tripping. We can do this actually. We'll move this down a little. Moves up a little. Give it a little wicks. Boom. Boom. It's a little longer. Something like this, right? Okay, cool. There we go. Now, where will the... okay, pretend this has wicks and all that shit too. But I'm just drawing this out just to draw it. Fair value gap will lie from boom to boom. Fair value gap would be a 3 candlestick pattern which identifies imbalances in the market. So right now, we see 3 candles, right? Candle, candle, candle. From the top point of... in an uptrend, it would be the top point of the first candle to the bottom point of the third candle, right? As you can see, same thing here. The higher high of the first candle to the higher low of the third candle, or the third move. So it'd be, the move would be 1. I'm retarded. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, whatever. But you get the point. Boom. It should look something like this. Fair value gap would be in the middle of this, right? And this happens because there's either too many buy orders or too many sell orders in the downtrend. I'll show you a downtrend example too. But right now, it would be too many buy orders, and there isn't enough sell orders in the market, right? So there's too many buy orders. Price immediately pushes up, which creates an imbalance of sell orders. So there's not enough sell orders in this range. Price is gonna want to come down, fill in those sell orders, but then buy orders are gonna overtake it again if it is true. And then boom, we're gonna shoot back up. Oh, sorry, fill in these. There's more buy orders in here, so we're gonna fill in these buy orders and then boom, shoot up. So let's do one first. Downtrend. Let me just boom, 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 boom. Oh, fuck me. Oh my. There we go. downtrend, it'd be something like boom, something like boom, something like that. And this copy, paste. So top, bottom. Where would the fair value gap be here? Sorry, my bad. It's not straight. Where would the fair value gap be here? Let's grab this. It'll be boom. So it's the exact opposite. So it'd be the lower low of the first candle to the lower high of the third candle. So the bottom of the first candle, or the bottom wick of the first candle to the top wick of the third candle. Fair value gap. Boom. Why does this happen? Imbalance in the market, too many sellers, but there's not all of them got filled in. So there's gonna be an imbalance in market price. Gonna want to come up, retrace back into here. So this is a good retracement point, a drawn liquidity almost, you can say, I guess. And this is gonna be on every time frame once again. Every time frame has fair value gaps. Every time frame has every one of these ICT confluence that you can use. Cool then. So let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Draw that shit out, by the way. You don't have to go back. I'm not redoing that shit. Sorry, bro. Oh my god, why that shit take so long? Cool. Okay, let's go to the charts. On the charts, let's see. Let's start off with the higher time frame. Let's say monthly fucking time frame, right? Bro, log me out of here. Hold on. I'm up 6 more paper trading. Come on. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 3 candles. Where would the fair value gap be? Top of the first candle. Bottom of the second candle. See that there's a wick there. There's tiny wick, but there's still wick. Imbalance right here. Maybe price this month will come down, tap in here. Who knows? Let's go to weekly. Let's drop down one. Boom, that's fair value gap. Let's take that out. Now let's see. Work it. Fuck ton of fair value gaps here, right? So 1, 2, 3. Top of the first, bottom of the third. Fair value gap right there. 1, 2, 3. Top of the first, bottom of the third. And then 1, 2, 3. Small one, but still fair value gap. Size doesn't matter. Come on now. And fair value gaps it doesn't, but you know, I'm not gonna lie, bitches be thinking otherwise, but like fuck the bitch side shit. We got 1, 2, 3. 3 candles again. Boom. There we go. And then boom, 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 boom. Cool. That's fair value gaps. That's what a fair value gap is. Now, how does a fair value gap work? This would be a good example right here. This one would be a good example of how they work. Let's try this out one more time. Let's hit the boom, 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 boom. Boom. For now. Fair value gap right here. Or this makes it a little bigger. Fair value gap right here. 1, 2, 3. Top and bottom. Now, price either comes down in fair value gaps like this and retraces back up, because all these buy orders down here that didn't get filled before now get filled, because this is a discounted price. A fair value gap is a discounted price at which you want, or discounted or premium price for downtrend. Either discounted or premium price that people want to buy at, right? So basically, let's say the example, something is, you go to the grocery store, something's, let's say something's at full, let's say cereal's at full price right now, and you buy one of them, right? But let's say you go a week later and they're discounted by like 50%. You'd honestly, if it's a cereal you eat like every day, daily, let's say this is something you get every time. If you see it's discounted 50%, would you not buy more to just stock up? You know what I'm saying? Because they're at a cheaper price. Everyone likes discounted stuff, right? So boom, people are gonna buy more of the stock at a discounted price than they would like up here, for example, or down here, for example. So people bought right here, push price up, and then people push price down because I guess people would start selling off. Let's say people start putting sellers, or people have sellers up here, swept something happened, right? That made market want to push down. We push down into this fair value gap, which is an imbalance or a fair price of market, right? Market brings out a fair price, and people buy double, if not more, of that product, right? Or in this case, the more contracts, which would push price up twice as fast or twice as much, right? But that's just how fair value gaps work. It just, once it gets tapped into, it can fill in, and then boom. And I know you'd say, what if it doesn't shoot back up? What if it comes down? That is inverse fair value gaps. That's gonna be tomorrow's lesson, but I'm gonna film it right after this one. So I just use I use this video, and then I'm like, oh, remember from last video, whatever. Shut the fuck up. I know what I'm doing. Boom. That's that. Downtrend. Downtrend. Boom, boom. Let's see, like boom, 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 boom. Where's the fair value gap? You tell me actually. Boom, boom. Fair value gap, right? Fair value gap. This zone is a disc or the premium price. So let's say price pushes back up in here. What's gonna happen, or what can happen if the fair value gap is successful? Boom. That's it. Literally just lower, 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 lower. I just put lower. Fuck it. Why not? Fuck. That shit looks retarded. But yeah, you get the point. Fuck me. Okay, cool. Boom, taps and then goes lower. Why? Let's say something honestly, same example, right? You. What can I use for this one? This is the opposite. Trying to think. Ice cream's gonna help me think. I'll use the same thing. I'd say premium price, like a better price for the stock than it is normally. So. To be honest, there's nothing more to it. It's honestly it. Fuck, what am I shit called? I'm gonna start tweaking if I don't find it right now. What? Oh, there it is. I was about to say. What the fuck stole my shit, yo? Cool. Fair value tapped into, price pushes lower. Okay, let's do the same one, bro. Cereal, regular price, you're buying a little bit. Cereal goes on a 50% discounted price, you'd buy more, right? But it's just the opposite, pretty much. But same idea behind it, just a premium price instead of a discounted price. So you're just gonna buy double of it because you're gonna make double the profit. You're gonna make double the cereal, or fucking double the bread. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck just happened? I just heard something. That's the party. That's the party. Okay, yeah. That's just how it is. Cool. Now let's show this on the charts. So a fair value get tapped into on the fucking chart, my. Sometimes it happens every fucking day. I'm not gonna lie. It happens more in the lower time frame, but it does happen. Okay, like see, perfect. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 3 candles. Bottom of the top. Bottom of the first, top of the third gets tapped into right there. What does it do? Price pushes down. Cool, nice. Let's find another one. I'm gonna find about the uptrend now. Here I got another downtrend. 1, 2, 3 candles. Bottom to the top of the third one. Price pushes in at this point right here. What do we do? Push lower. Let's find another one. Let's do this one. Top of the first, bottom of the third candle. What happens? Price pushes in. Price pushes in again. What happens? Boom! Skyrockets. Fuck. But boom, 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 boom. Cool. That's that. Let's find another one. Let's drop down. Let's drop down the hourly. Fuck it. So you guys fucking know that I'm being dead ass and this shit works every fucking time frame. We'll go fuck it. We'll go back a little. Okay, cool. Right here. Top of the first, bottom of the third. Tapped into once, tapped into twice. All these buy orders got filled. Boom! Skyrocket. Big BBC. Okay, now let's see another one to the upside. This one's good. This one's low-key fire. Okay. Top to the bottom. Price goes tappy tap, fill, and what does it do? Cream pie. I'm sorry. Let's go down 30. Let's see, 30. Give me an uptrend one. I feel like I didn't do enough uptrend ones. Okay, let's do an example of a small like fair value gap, right? See this? 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle. What is it? There's still an imbalance there, a small one. Some people don't catch this, but shit. See, a nigga like me, I'm a real ass nigga. I'm him for real. Boom, what happens? Price goes tappy tap. Fuck you. Cream pie. Boom, boom, boom. Oh shit. Sorry. Give me. So this one. 1, 1, 2, 3. Fuck, why is the magnet off? No, it's not. What the fuck? Okay, bottom, bottom to the top. What happens? Price goes tappy tap. Hello, motherfucker. Godzilla. That's just what fair value gap is. Like if you want to see 5, for example, let's see a fucking 5-minute, I guess, cause y'all niggas are gay. I'm sorry. First candle, second candle, third candle, and top or the bottom. Price goes tappy tap, tappy tap, tappy tap. Machine gun, nigga. Boom. LMG to the asshole. Boom. That's what a fair value gap is, bro. Simple as that. Nothing more to it. Fair value gap, pretty simple. Tomorrow we're gonna do inverse fair value gaps, which are failed fair value gaps, fair value gaps are continuation confluences. Fair value gaps are continuation confluences. Write that down on your continuation side. Make sure when you're taking notes, write down confirmation confluences separate and continuation confluences separately. I told you in the last video that I would be telling you which ones are at the end of each confluence. So what did we do yesterday? 2 days ago was a break of structure, I believe. Break of structure is confirmation confluence. It's confirming a new trend is being made. Continuation and then the fair value gap would be a continuation confluence saying, okay, this trend is right and it's gonna continue, right? So that's that. And then tomorrow we talk about inverse fair value gaps. I'll let you know what that is when that time is. But yeah, Discord is the link. Come on now, bro. 8K payout. By the way, last week, Monday, we got the eval. We had 2 evals when that started this challenge. Passed them $1,500 on Monday, $1,500 on Tuesday. Made $500 on Tuesday as well on the past evals. Wednesday, I made, I believe, 2K or so on each eval, but not the eval, the actual funded. Wait, let me see actually. Evals got passed in 2 days, by the way. I'm fucking him, bro. I don't give a shit. Wednesday we made $2,800, almost 3K. Thursday we made $1,100. Friday I was trying to make $150, but I ended up making $431 on each account. So right now, currently we are up almost 5K on each account. I'm up $4,900 on one, and I'm up $4,800 on one. I need one more day of $150, which I'm gonna say is gonna be either Sunday night or Monday. Once I hit that, bro, I'm getting a 4K payout. I'm buying 3 more accounts, passing them, and then we're copy trading 5 accounts total. Next milestone is gonna be 10K. Next milestone after that is gonna be 20. So come on, you guys on this road with me. By the end of this challenge, I want to have at least 60K in payouts. Come on now. I think it's doable. I'm not gonna lie. I really do think it's doable, but come on, bro. Stay locked, bro. Come on. You should get these payouts with me, bro. Fuck, bro. I want to see you niggas do this shit too. Payout Discord in the bio, bro. I be live streaming on Discord every day, bro. Friday's the first day I missed of the thing because I genuinely had someone come to the house because the new crib, niggas coming in and out always. And then I was trying to get people for cabinets. Shit, it's construction and shit, but yeah, bro, join the Discord. Link will be in the bio.